Hey guys, are you also tired of eating meat? Today, I will be showing you my recipe which I call banana blossom balls. It is an all-vegetable recipe and a nutritious snack for everyone. And these are all the ingredients. The first thing we will do is to wash all the ingredients and materials that we will be using. After washing, we will start by steaming the banana blossom until it is soft. Next, peel the carrots and then slice it into tiny pieces. I use carrots to add color to the food and to make it more nutritious. Carrots have many health benefits. The fiber in carrots can help to keep the blood sugar levels under control, and they are loaded in vitamin A and beta-carotene, which lowers the risk of diabetes. Carrots also have calcium and vitamin K, which can help strengthen our bones. Next, let's prepare the onions and garlic. Start by peeling it and then slice it into tiny pieces. Onions contain decent amount of vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, and potassium, which provide a number of health benefits. It may lower the blood sugar levels, improve bone health, and reduce the risk of several types of cancer. For the garlic, it is an excellent source of vitamin B6. It is also a very good source of manganese, selenium, and vitamin C. It is a good source of minerals as well, including phosphorus, calcium, potassium, iron, and copper. The same with onions. Garlic has multiple health benefits such as lower cholesterol, reduce risk of heart disease, and improve our skin and memory. After a couple of minutes, check the banana blossom. To know the doneness, stab it with a knife. If it is already soft, it's perfect for cooling. After cooling it down, start by removing the outer skin of banana blossom, slicing it halfway, then remove the center. Slice vertically and start grinding it. Banana blossom is a great dietary source of potassium. Potassium-rich diet can help lower the blood pressure and lower the risk of heart disease. After grinding the banana blossom, remove all the juices by squeezing it with your hands. Mix all the ingredients and add in the salt and eggs. Salt is used to add flavor in the food and also to prevent the growth of pathogens and spoilage of organisms. Salt contains up to 98% of sodium chloride. The rest of salt consists of trace minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium. It helps balance fluids in the blood and maintain healthy blood pressure. And it is also essential for nerve and muscle function. Eggs are among the most nutritious food in the world. It contains vitamin A, B5, B12, B2, folate, phosphorus, and selenium. Eggs also contain decent amount of vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, calcium, and zinc. Complete the mixture by adding a bit of all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is used to add crisp and texture to the food. All-purpose flour contains niacin, iron, thiamine mononitrate, riboflavin, enzymes, and folic acid. Preheat the oil, form the mixture into balls, and it is ready to cook. Cook until golden brown. And it's done!